Friends, welcome back to our channel Stock Dr. RR. Today we are going to do a very important analysis of Nasdaq, Dow Jones and S&p 500. You know, from the last night there are a lot of news coming into the market. SVC Bank has filed a bankruptcy. Signature Bank has shut down. So a lot of things are going on. We are going to review some commodities if time permits, but this will be a very important video. Please go ahead, subscribe to this channel, hit the bell icon so you will get notification of all future videos which I am going to make on this channel. So let's go ahead, do the analysis. Stay tuned. All the new viewers, this is our channel. You can subscribe to this channel, hit the bell icon. You will get the notification of all future videos which I am going to make on this channel. Without wasting a time, let's go and do the analysis of Nasdaq 100. Let's do the analysis of monthly first. In the monthly, you can see the last month was kind of a doji pattern, and that is a gravestone doji pattern. And after that, this month is showing a weakness here. Let's see the weekly chart. Weekly chart, I observed one pattern and I just wanted to discuss with you all. The pattern is, you can see here, it is making lower highs and higher bottoms. Means this is the first high, the first bottom, second high, second bottom, third high, third bottom, fourth high. So you can see the highs are going down and down, and the lows are making lows more and more lows. So now the next low might come here, right? Something near 9,800. So this is like, I think this is the possibility. Okay, so this is the weekly chart observation. Now let's do the analysis of day chart. In the day chart, you can see here, this is the day chart. Let's unhide the drawing. You can see here clear cut, there was a trend line resistance breakout. After the breakout, market gave the upside here. This was a trend line, it has a breakout, and after the breakout it did a retest. But because of lot of news is coming in, and there is a very big volatility in the market at this point of time. For the all the traders who are not taking the risk, for the risky traders, this is not the correct market now, because you can see this is a today's red candle. It went up, and it all the gains, it gave it back, and now it is, this candle is trading in the red. Okay, so let's understand the levels. You can see here 12,200 to 12,150 was acting as a important support for the market. It got broke, and now the Nasdaq 100 is trading near 11,788. This is a current month contract. Okay, so I think 11,700 is acting as a support now, which is just 80 points above the support. If it sustain and break below it, if it breaks and sustain below it, then the next target you are going to see is 11,350. And if it breaks that also, then definitely you are going to see 10,750. These are the levels we should keep in the mind. Okay, and on the contrary, if it takes supports at 11,700, means it comes to 11,700, it forms a base here like this, right? It just consolidate here and then start going up. Then the first resistance is coming around 12,150 to 12,220. This is the resistance area, and if it breaks from here, then definitely 12,500 and then 12,900. So if you ask me, I will wait to see this level. I will wait what Nasdaq 100 does at 11,700. If it respect this level and start going up from there, then definitely a good chance to add a buy position. But if it doesn't respect 11,700 and continuously start trading below 11,700 on hourly chart, means for 2 to 3 hours continuously it's trading below 11,700, or if it close below 11,700 on a day candle, then definitely you are going to see these two levels. So this was about Nasdaq 100. Let's talk about S&p 500. For the S&p 500, you can see here the RSI is going down, so definitely a bounce back is going to come, but not now because of the newses. And you can see here the trend line support, this blue trend line support, this trend line support got broke, right, on 2 days back, and after that it started going down. So if we see the candle from the closer view, then you can see here 3800 is acting as an important support. First support means there is a possibility that S&p 500 can go towards 3800, and then if it breaks and sustain below that, then 3700 also. So when we can think about the upside in the S&p 500, that is above 3900, this black level. Once it starts trading above 3900, then the first target is 3950 and second target is 4000. So these are the two targets. I want to show you the weekly chart of this also. The same pattern, like for the Nasdaq 100, lower highs and uh, higher bottoms. You can see here. This is the first high, first low, second high, second low, third high, third low, fourth high, and fourth low might be possible to come here. Okay, this is the possibility we are talking about. Okay. And the for the day chart, I have already given you the levels. We need to respect those levels and we need to act accordingly. So let's see the next last index, that is the Dow Jones. For the Dow Jones, let's see the monthly. First see the monthly. Monthly is showing, let us hide the drawing first. Monthly saying that the candle is coming to becoming a red. Okay, but 18 days are remaining, so we cannot conclude out of this monthly. Weekly is saying that uh, you know 3 weeks ago it has created the three doji patterns consecutively and then started going down from here. So it is kind of from here you can see the market is going down only. So this is a kind of negative candle at this point of time. But if we see the day candle, we will see with the proper levels here. If the day candles, you can see here currently 31711 means 31,700 is acting as a support area. This is almost 200 points above this support area. If again the same strategy like Nasdaq 100, if it stays here, sustain here, right, consolidate here and take a U-turn, then definitely it will go towards 32,250, then 32,600, and then 33,000. And if it sustain here and again start going down from here, either sustain or directly go down from here, then the first target is 31,300 and the second target is 30,600. But you can see here the RSI is kind of oversold zone on this chart. So this was about all three indexes. Now we are going to talk about gold and silver. But before that, just see the chart of Apple. As I mentioned here, we need to look for the level of $157. Once it starts trading above that, then you can see the above levels. Now it is trading below 151. So definitely the targets are like, if it starts trading and sustaining below, I mean right now it is trading and sustaining below 151. If it continues to trade below this, then the first target is 144 and second target is 137. And if Apple shows these downside levels, then definitely Nasdaq 100 is also going to show the lower levels which we discussed on the chart. Now we will quickly talk about the precious commodities, gold and silver. They are insanely going up from last 3 days. Okay, you can see here the gold has a very solid bottom near 1810. It has respected that bottom, right? And from that bottom it has created kind of a morning star pattern. You can see here a red candle followed by doji followed by green candle. It hit the first target of 1850 and now currently it is above 1880. I feel that if it is above 1880 and it sustained above it, then the first target is 1950, second target is 1950. First is 1915, second is 1950, and if it starts trading below 1880, then the first target is 1850 and second target is 1810. But to me it looks like gold is quite bullish now. The short in the gold is not advisable. If you see the silver also respected this bottom. You can see here silver has a very strong support near $19.75. You can see here, uh, this is the very important levels. You can see here it has a resistance here, then it has a resistance here, it got broke, and it exactly came near the same level. You can see here it came near 1975, almost it came to 19.90 dollars, and then from there, it created a kind of morning star pattern. You can see here two doji patterns it created, and then followed by a green candle, and then followed by a big green candle. It is staying above $20.61. If it stays above 21.50, okay, if it stays above 21.50, high probability that it can go to 22.50 and then 23.50. Now when the downside will come, if it starts sustaining below 21.50, then the first target is 20.80 and the second target will come again as 19.75. So friends, this was all about today's video. You really wait for the right opportunity in the market is very volatile, and with this you can see there are many important events coming in the market. You can see here Monday, March 13th, President Biden's speech on banking system. Then again you have core inflation rate on 14th of March, and then on Wednesday you have PPI, Thursday you have building permit, and Friday you have Michigan consumer sentiment. The important event is tomorrow, Tuesday, 14th of March. You will see lot of volatility into the market, right? For the safe traders, I would advise wait and see, how the market is acting. The best trade would come after, after this inflation data comes. So my friends, this was all about today's video. I hope you learned something out of it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Last but not least, let's learn and earn together. Thank you, my friends. Bye bye.